Mm,
Hey, Asterisk! What are you doing?
I'm microwaving rocks
Why?
to throw at the entities that haunt us with their presence.
While that is technically warranted, there is smoke coming from our microwave.
That just means they'll be toasty.
They're rocks. And now the microwave is on fire.
So it is. Oh boy, it's an entity. Bozo got microwaved.
Dude, our microwave is fucking totaled.
But that is the opposite of what is correct.
What? How?
Oh, you know.
Okay, but I literally do not and am genuinely curious. Microwave void. What?
Oh no, the microwave void overlords heard me. We are under siege. Run!
Huh? Why'd they stop?
Oh yeah, they just do that when they get too close to anyone.
Dumbass.